Welcome back. Vivo has a strong core of products in the market, but, like every Chinese brand these days, wants more devices to give buyers more options. That's the new T series, which makes its debut with the T1. This model has good specifications and most importantly, is under budget. Excited to know about it? Then stick till the end, and those who are watching, make sure to subscribe for more tech updates. Let's begin. Vivo T1 5G will go on sale from February 14th. This latest smartphone will be available to purchase via the official Vivo India website, as well as Flipkart. Let's look into the price and specifications. The dual SIM Vivo T1 5G runs on Android 12, with Fun Touch OS 12 on top. The handset carries a 6.58-inch, Full HD Plus IPS LCD display, with a 120Hz refresh rate. The new Vivo smartphone is powered by Snapdragon 695 5G SoC, coupled with up to 8GB of RAM. As mentioned, Vivo T1 5G sports a triple rear camera setup that includes a 50-megapixel primary sensor and two 2-megapixel shooters. For selfies and video calls, it has a 16-megapixel sensor. The 6GB and 8GB RAM models feature Super Night mode, as well as multi-style portrait mode. Vivo T1 5G packs 128GB of onboard storage, and it can be expanded via a microSD card, up to 1TB. Connectivity options in the smartphone include 5G, 4G LTE, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth V5.1, USB Type-C, and USB OTG. Onboard sensors include fingerprint scanner, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, e-compass, virtual gyroscope sensor, etc. The company has provided a 5000 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support. Vivo T1 5G price in India is set at Rs 15,990 for the base 4GB plus 128GB storage model. The 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 128GB storage models come with a price tag of Rs 16,990 and Rs 19,990. It will be available for purchase at the company website, Flipkart, and Vivo's partner stores. Vivo T1 5G is available in Rainbow Fantasy and Starlight Black color options. Vivo and Flipkart are offering an instant discount of up to Rs 1,000 on purchases via HDFC cards and EMI transactions. Additionally, Flipkart is offering Vivo T1 5G with no-cost EMI starting at Rs 2,832. It is also providing an instant discount of up to Rs 750 for purchases using Citibank cards. Was this video useful? If yes, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.